Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today for the Halloween series, we are doing a Lady Frankenstein, so please keep on watching. I'm starting off with my Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony. And I'm gonna go ahead and underline my brow. And once that's underlined, I go into the top. Then I just go ahead and fill it in. But I never bring the product all the way to the front. And I'm making sure my brows are extra dark because I don't want any patchiness showing up under the black light. Then towards the front, I just bring in the spoolie. Now I'm cleaning up my brows with my Maybelline Master Concealer and my e.l.f. Concealer brush. Now I'm going in with my SUVA Beauty HYDRA FX liner in fanny pack. So I'm just taking a spritz bottle with water and I'm going to spray it right into the little pot. Then I'm going to swirl my brush in it and I'm just going to apply it to my entire face. I'm taking a smaller brush to fill in the eye area. And I am going to do a few layers of the green because I do see a lot of patchiness. Hold up. About to grub hella fat. Right now when I was eating, everything around my mouth got cracked. So all I did was spray some more water since it is water activated. And just blended it out and everything's all good. Do you guys see how fucking red my eyes are? What the hell? And this green is like super patchy. I don't know why, but I'm doing a shitload of layers. Now I'm dragging the green down to my neck and I'm gonna add a little bit to my chest as well. Alright, so while my neck and chest dries, to add another layer, I'm going to go into my Anastasia Shadow Couture palette. And I'm going to pick up Nor with the Morphe M514. And I'm just picking up a tiny bit at first because this shit is super pigmented. So I'm going to work a tiny bit of that into the crease. And I'm just packing the black onto the outer eye with the Morphe M506. I'm pressing a tiny bit of clear brow gel on my lid. Now I'm going to be adding the MAC Reflex in teal. With my Wet n Wild pencil liner in Baby's Got Black, I'm going to line my lip. Now I'm going to dab on some of Kat Von D's liquid lipstick in Underage Red. I'm taking a tiny bit of that black shadow on my Morphe R45. I'm adding a line across my forehead with my Morphe R45 and my e.l.f. gel liner in black. From the Morphe 35B palette, I'm picking up the Forest Green with the Morphe M514. I'm applying a tiny bit to the hollows of my cheek to contour a little bit. I don't know if this is going to show up under the UV light, but at least for regular lighting. Now I'm adding a very thin line of white liner between the black. I'm curling my lashes with my MAC lash curler. Here I have the Eyelure Vegas Nay Shining Star lashes. So I bought some of that color hairspray shit or whatever it is from Walmart, and that shit sucked ass. So I'm going to be adding some of this Wet n Wild cream to my hair. And I just want to add it to a streak of hair. I am going to be honest with you guys though. I tried this out yesterday and it was hard as hell to take out. So how I did it was I added some coconut oil, rubbed it in really well, and then I took a shower, scrubbed it well as fuck with some shampoo, and it was able to come out, but I did struggle a little bit. Alright guys, so that wraps up our look for today. I really love how this look came out, especially under the UV light. Please let me know if you guys give this look a try, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to keep up with my Halloween makeup tutorials. I'll see you guys next time.